Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our Fab Fit Fun Fall Mystery Bundle and we're giving away one of these items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. I haven't peeked inside. I'm super excited. I did pick up the Fab Fit Fun, so this was the first time I did, because I always pick up the mystery bundle. So they had a deal where you can get, it's basically like a mystery bundle subscription. So instead of being $29 for a mystery bundle each time, and then it only brings it down to $14. I do know that there's only 3 items in there instead of their normal 4 though. Just a consideration. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of August. It is the Juvia's Place Allure 3 palette. Kind of looks like this on the inside. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Draw your attention to that 1,700 subscriber huge giveaway that we've got, because you want to make sure to enter that one as well. Giveaway's really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway from the FabFitFun Mystery Bundle Fall Box. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I try and do giveaways a lot here on the channel. It's just a way for me to give back and say thank you so much to you guys. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is from Etheka. And it's kind of these 2 shades here and like this one here, and that was about it. So I love FabFitFun. It's one of my oldest subscriptions. I think it is the oldest. You can get it every quarter for the box itself for $49. Now I just did an unboxing for the fall box, and there's the giveaway in that one, so make sure to check that out. I'll leave that in the description box down below as well. And I love FabFitFun. It's beauty, it's makeup, it's skincare, it's hair care, it's lifestyle, good for you type items. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It'll save you a little bit of money if you haven't tried them before. And that code, and it saves me a little bit on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. I also have some starter boxes to give away from FabFitFun, and how the starter boxes work is you give me your name and your email address. I don't save that information or anything. I just send that off to FabFitFun. And FabFitFun will send you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you for a starter box. Now how the starter boxes work is you must not have ever signed up for a FabFitFun or a starter box before, and you can only live, right now they only ship to the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. And basically how it works is you basically sign up for the service, and then all you have to do is pay for shipping, and they will send that starter box out to you. It's usually like $7,500 at least in value in those, so it's a pretty good deal. And then you do have 21 days to cancel the membership if you want to. Like I said, I love it. So this is the mystery bundle. Let's find out what I got and what we're giving away to one of you. So the first thing in here is this huge blanket. This is from Sunbeam. So it retails for $54, both beautiful and sustainable. These blankets are made of reclaimed fibers derived from 100% post-consumer materials containing a special blend of cotton, acrylic, and polyester. So it's designed to be your go-to blanket, perfect for home or an accent throw to cuddle up with. Rugged enough for your weekend adventures up the coast or mountains. Like your favorite pair of jeans, equally durable and soft, this throw becomes softer and you'll love it even more after each wash. It is designed in California and it's artisan made in Mexico. So it does measure 73 by 48 inches. So it looks like this is a pack of 3. It's a multifunctional soap, sponge, and mother of pearl. Just retail for $15 or $5 each. Multifunctional soap, sponge, mother of pearl. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. Dual purpose soap, sponge. Here at Daily Concepts, showering is one of the most important parts of your daily routine. We created the multifunctional soap, sponge, mother of pearl for your daily bathing ritual. The multifunctional soap, sponge, mother of pearl exfoliates with a mild texture, deep cleanse, and clarifies the skin with the mother of pearl ingredients that enhances radiance and elevates the skin overall texture. So the last thing in here is from Laura Geller. It is their Brightening with Tangerine and Licorice Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. There are 30 of them in here. I wasn't able to find any information about these. It does say on the back, brighten your complexion with these makeup removing towelettes formulated with tangerine and licorice to help revive dull looking skin, easily melt away makeup, dirt, and oil, leaving the skin clean and refreshed, powerful enough to remove even waterproof mascara without tugging or irritating the skin. Who needs to rinse? And no need to rinse. I still kind of rinsed off. That's just me. They are vegan. For $14.99, you have the blanket, you have the soap, you have the towelettes. Pretty good deal. I mean, that blanket, it seems really, really cool to me. So what should we give away in today's giveaway? Since I have 3 of them, one of these Daily Concepts multifunctional soap sponge, mother of pearl. Secret word is mystery. Down in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries, and now there are 4 ways to do bonus entries. You just fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. If you mark on it that you did do, make sure you did, because I do check. So how you get your 4 bonus entries. Number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on Twitter. That's the BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. You can follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And if you share this video, that'll give you a 4th way. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. Can only do it with your guys' help, and I appreciate that so much. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. Giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through September 9th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on September 14th is what I'll do is I'll take from all the entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, first name, first initial of the last name, put it in. The computer spins all the names around. We all see it, and the computer picks the names. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those entries. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't share your information with anybody else. Nobody else has access to it but me. So I can't wait to give this away to one of you guys. If you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!